Hello. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to get free resources in this mobile game. As you can see, I already have my resources and everything works fine. This method is very simple. Watch this tutorial carefully and follow all the steps and you've finished it in a few minutes. Let's get started. Now jump to mobile screen records for better video quality. First, open your favorite browser and go to evonygen.pro. As you can see on this web page, you will find many mobile games. Search your game and go to next step. Enter the required information and click the Proceed button. Select the amount of resources and click the Proceed button. The last step is a simple verification process. Just click the Verify button and complete 2 tasks. Remember to follow the instructions below task. Verification is completed. Now back to the game and check your resources. If they don't start growing after a few minutes, try to complete more tasks. Sometimes some of them don't count properly.